The reason intermittent fasting isn't helping you lose weight anymore is very simple. You're eating less often, but your body is still in fat storage mode. Think of your metabolism like your phone battery. When your phone battery gets low, it switches into low power mode. The screen dims, apps slow down, and background activity stops. Your body does the exact same thing. When you skip meals and starve the system, the body switches into its own version of low power mode. Your metabolism slows down. And when your metabolism slows down, so does fat loss. Your metabolism is the engine of the body. If the engine is running smoothly, the car, aka your body, will run smoothly as well. But if the engine begins to break down, the car does too. Many fasting plans break down the engine. Intermittent fasting works by shrinking the window of time that you eat. Maybe you eat for 8 hours, maybe only 4 hours. The idea is simple. Eat less often and you'll lose weight. And sometimes that works for a short time. But for most people, it stops working. Your body is designed to protect you. If it thinks food is scarce, it switches into survival mode. It slows down energy use and it holds on to fat. It does all of this to save fuel for later. Your body treats belly fat how you would typically treat your bank account. When things are more stable financially, just like we're more comfortable spending from our bank account, our body is more comfortable spending more energy. But when things feel uncertain, like skipping meals, dieting, or more stress, our body holds on and protects that energy, just like we would protect and hold on to our money if we didn't have a lot of it in the account. It locks it away. That's why belly fat is usually the last thing to go. Your body literally thinks it's protecting you. And when the body goes into low power mode, one of the first places it protects is the belly fat, because belly fat is emergency fuel. So when people say, I'm fasting, but the scale stopped moving, it's often because their body's not actually burning fat. It's protecting it. The goal is not to starve your body. The goal is to create an environment in which your body feels safe enough to burn and use stored energy. And this is where most fasting plans miss the mark. Mistake number one is skipping fuel early in the day. I don't know about you guys, but there's been many times when I've been traveling between states and I only have a little bit of gas left in my tank and I know the next gas stop is 5, 10, 15 miles away. And I don't know about you guys, but I always typically do two things. One, I do my very best to try to conserve gas. And two, I'm stressing hard because I know I may get stuck and not make it to that gas station. Your body does the same exact thing. When you delay food for too long, stress hormones rise. And these hormones tell your body to slow your metabolism down to conserve energy. Mistake number two happens when that fasting window ends. People go from zero food to a very large meal. It's like flooding a small sink with a fire hose. The body gets way more energy than it knows what to do with. And guess what? All that extra energy just gets stored. AKA say hello to Mr. Love Handles. Mistake number three is sustainability. Most people can fast for a few weeks, but eventually life gets busy. Work, travel, family. And when the system breaks down, the weight usually comes back. I need you guys to hear me when I say this. A plan that only works when life is perfect isn't a real solution. The human body works best with rhythm. Think about your heartbeat, or breathing, or sleep. Every single thing follows a pattern. Eat, use energy, refuel, repeat. When that rhythm is stable, your metabolism will stay strong. The approach I teach works with this rhythm. Instead of starving the body, we stabilize it. We eat earlier in the day. I developed a method called the 3-2-1 eating method. I don't have time to explain it in detail in this video, but I'll put a free meal guide in the description below so you can learn to start eating like this. The second thing is we anchor these meals with protein. Protein is a necessity for building muscle. Protein also helps satiate the body so you don't have sugar cravings late into the night. And bonus, it has a high thermic effect of food, which basically means it raises your body's metabolism every time it has to digest it. Number three, we balance carbohydrates instead of removing them. Your body needs glucose to function the way it's supposed to. Your brain and your muscles need it.
You need carbs! Your brain runs on glucose!
Remember, real fat loss is all about your ability to raise your metabolism, build muscle, and that starts with exercise performance. And number four, you remove late night snacking, especially on processed foods. This is a main reason why the body stays stuck in storage mode. You see, when the body feels stable, the metabolism speeds up, energy improves, cravings go down, and fat loss becomes automatic, especially around the stomach area. Trying to lose weight by starving the body is like trying to live in a house with no electricity. Can you imagine trying to do anything? It would take you forever to get anything done. And most things in your house, like your dishwasher or your TV, wouldn't even work at all. Your body is no different. But when the system is powered properly, everything works efficiently. You don't have to fight your body to lose weight. You just need to work with the way your body was designed. Fix the system and the fat loss will follow. If you have any questions about what I discussed in this video today, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this. Stay fit, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.